Hey, what's up, YouTube friends? How you doing? First of all, can we talk about how good my makeup looks today? Like, I'm obsessed. It looks flawless, and my skin is not flawless underneath this makeup, folks. I just used a new technique, and I'm feeling it. Like, this looks very good. Very good makeup. I like it. If you're digging the makeup as well, and you would like to be color matched for your own custom foundation palette, hit me up. I can definitely help you out. You can find me on Instagram at Lynn'sDitty, and I actually filmed this makeup look today, and that will be going up on IGTV here later this week. So if you want to check that out, head on over. Today, I am so jazzed because I am going to tell you about a whitening treatment that I used that literally blew me away, okay? So if you don't know, I am a dental hygienist. I've been a registered dental hygienist for the last 5 years. And in my last 5 years, I have worked mainly in a pediatric dental office. So if you're needing pediatric dental tips, head to my Instagram. I have tried literally everything under the sun as far as bleaching goes because I want to have white teeth, but I hate the sensitivity that comes from traditional bleach. In the past, I have definitely said these words to my patients. Whitening toothpaste do not work. They don't work, okay? I've seriously said that to my patients. Like, if you want to get your teeth white, then you need to bleach them with a peroxide, is what I have said in the past until now. I got sent a package from this company, Oral Essentials, and this product blew me away. So here's what they sent me. A mouthwash, toothpaste, whitening strips. Now, I was extremely skeptical about these strips because they have 0 peroxide in them. So I'm like, how the freak is this supposed to bleach your teeth if they don't have any peroxide in them? And it's, you know, they boast all natural with 0 sensitivity. And I'm like, 0 sensitivity, LOL. Because I have tried Crest White strips. I have tried custom fit trays that you fill with bleach. I have done preloaded trays that you just stick in and then throw away. I have used in-office whitening treatments, like where a rep has come and like, you know, pried my mouth open. I sat there for 20 minutes and they're like, 0 sensitivity, I promise. And I'm like, are you sure? They're like painting this stuff on my teeth. And I was honestly like, bleaching sucks. Bleaching your teeth sucks. I would be miserable afterwards. I would just like hate myself. I'm like, why did I do this? The air would touch my teeth and I just want to cry. And even like while I was doing the treatments, I'd get little zings that just like made me want to rip whatever was in my mouth out immediately. So I was so skeptical of these. So skeptical. I'm like, ain't no way this is gonna work. I'm like, one, it's probably not gonna whiten and it might still cause sensitivity. I got this and I was like, alrighty, let's test this out. I'm like, for science, I'm gonna brush my teeth with just the toothpaste to see what it does. Yeah, remember how I told my patients that whitening toothpaste don't work? Okay, that is like pretty decent results. Like my teeth are pretty white before, but that looks good. So I'm like, at this point, I'm like pretty jazzed. I'm like, okay, well, let's see what this business is about. Brushing my teeth with the toothpaste, I'm like, oh, this is kind of weird. It tastes pretty good. It kind of has like a salty taste, which makes sense because sea salt is one of the ingredients. So it kind of has like a salty, minty taste. The aftertaste is a little bit weird, but not bad. Like, and the ingredient list is so clean. I'm super impressed. Very impressed with just the toothpaste, okay? So wait till I get into the rest of this. The mouthwash. Mouthwash also has the sea salt, the coconut oil, aloe, water, wintergreen leaf, coconut oil, lemon oil, but it also has spearmint and peppermint. This doesn't have any alcohol in it, which if you have dry mouth at all, I've always told patients to stay away from alcohol-based mouthwash because it can make your mouth more dry. This definitely didn't do that. It did have a burn like alcohol though, which it was kind of intense. Like even my husband was like, whoa, that kind of burns a little bit, but it like wasn't terrible. But honestly, I feel like that's something that like my patients and people want from a mouth rinse. They want it to burn a little bit because they feel like it's doing more. So this definitely had that like alcohol type burn if you're into that. I didn't mind this at all though. I thought it was great. I liked it. Will be using again. But let me jump to this product right here. Okay, so this is the whitening strips. Okay, what are these? Let me tell you what's in them. There's like 4 ingredients. It's insane. Vegetable glycerol, deionized water, coconut oil, dead sea salt, sage oil, citrus peel oil. So I'm reading this, and as a dental hygienist, I'm like, there's no peroxide. It ain't gonna work. This is dumb, but I'll try them. Okay, I like the toothpaste. The toothpaste is good. So I get these, put the little strips on, come off, and I'm like, hold up. What is happening? What happened to my teeth? They're glowing. My teeth were literally glowing. This was like, it was weird because it was like a different kind of white than what I have like got from bleach. So, and I'm waiting. I'm just waiting for the sensitivity. I'm like, it'll come. Did not come. I left them on for 30 minutes, took them off, threw them away. My teeth were like way white. I was very impressed. Now, here's the other thing that was impressive. So I used these strips, and then the next day, I'm like raving about this to my husband. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. And he's like, oh yeah, those are pretty cool. He's like, that's cool that it didn't give you any sensitivity, because he knows, like, every time I bleached my teeth, he's like, why did you do that? Why did you bleach your teeth? You're going to be miserable now. And, and so I'm like telling him about this. And then a little bit later, he's like, hey, where are those white strips? I want to try them. And you guys, this was a big deal because Chad, my husband, has never bleached his teeth before. Maybe you should bleach. And he's like, no, I'm not going to bleach my teeth. You're miserable every time. He got his hands on these, and he did a treatment as well. And lo and behold, here's his before and after. Blown away. I was blown away again. I'm like, what is happening? Like, this stuff is amazing. I've been using them for a week. Like, can we talk about how white my teeth look? They look really good. No sensitivity at all, which I have never had happen in my 6 years in dentistry, and, you know, bleaching my teeth for the last 10 years. I've never had a product that worked this well that didn't make me want to die the next day. I think these are awesome. The ingredients list is clean, good tasting. I don't know if you've done this before, where you put on whitening and they have that peroxide taste. And you just like want to die inside because you're like, this tastes terrible, and also it's gonna hurt so bad. You can buy a whole bundle where you get the mouthwash and the toothpaste and these, which they recommend using all 3 together. And after my results with just the toothpaste, I'm like, okay, like I will do it. I will use this, because I have been using like a xylitol based toothpaste that I got from Trader Joe's, but I kind of hate the taste of it. I think this taste is a little bit better. You can get these in 7 treatments or also a 2-week treatment box. And the price is reasonable, I would say. You can get this bundle, I think, for around $35 for all 3, which is a good deal for whitening if you think about it. If you go at my office, we charge $50 for whitening if you come in and get a custom tray and bleach, and that's definitely on the cheap side. Like, we just sell it basically for what we buy it for. If you go anywhere else and you want to do like something cosmetic, you're gonna get upwards of like $200 to $250 to bleach your teeth, and to be honest, you're probably gonna be miserable. Because they cause so much sensitivity. Even for me, I was using Sensodyne every single day, and I even would do like a fluoride varnish treatment before and after bleaching, and I would still get the sensitivity. I would just die inside. I love this. No sensitivity. They worked really great. They were easy. They didn't make me want to gag and throw up. Okay, I'll stop talking about them now, and you can look. Let me know if you have any questions. You can drop them in the comments below, and thanks for watching this review.